contains a lesson. Yes, we could woo for Mary. You gotta commit to that woo, though. No, but honestly, this is truly my favorite song from the score, and it's so hard to choose a favorite, as we all know, because they're all such incredible songs. But this lesson here is finding the joy in the fulfillment and acts of kindness, and a reminder that even the smallest gesture can have a profound impact. Each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way, to the people she calls, come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tolerance from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles walk down as she says her prayers. Although you can't see them, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Words are simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling.